In today's video, I'll teach you how to enable showing the tracker button on Mapy.com. First of all, what you have to do is launch up on Mapy.com application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Mapy.com application has been opened. If you enable the tracker button, it will give you direct access to the features for recording your route and activity. So if you want to enable it, for that what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options like My Mapy, directions, nearby trips, etc. Tap on the option settings that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find the settings options like map, navigation, app, premium feature settings, etc. Tap on the app option that you can see at third. Now you'll be able to see the app settings over here. You'll be able to find various options. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for show tracker button on map. What you have to do is simply toggle on this button. Once the button has been toggled on, it will appear on the app's main screen. It will give you direct access to the features for recording your route and activity. So like this, you'll be able to enable it. So that is how you enable showing the tracker button on Mapy.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.